Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. In today's video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding more word examples for the consonant letter Q. The consonant letter Q gives the sound. You can see the symbols K and W. So follow me as I open up the slashes now and transcribe the words one after the other, and then we sound them together. Okay, this is quality. You bring in your sound. Qua, then you write your quality. And this one is quantity. And this one is quench. And this one is qualitative. And this one is quantitative. If you are getting them. And this one is quantum leap. And this one is quarantine. And this one is quivo. And this one is quotation. This one is quick. Okay, let's close them up quickly and sound them. These are long words. This is quality. Quantity. This one is quench. This one is qualitative. And this is quantitative. And this one is quantum. And this one is quarantine. And this is quivo. This one is